3 months ago, I almost gave up. Everything felt broken. My voiceovers, they sounded like lifeless robots.
Buy my course now.
My ads, just burning cash with zero return. And my DMs, a total ghost town. I was putting in the work, but nothing was clicking. Leads weren't converting. My content wasn't engaging. And I was throwing money at ads that didn't work. I felt stuck. But then I found 3 secret weapons that changed everything overnight. And if you're struggling with voiceovers, leads, or ads, this might be the most important video you watch today. Because I'm about to show you exactly how I fixed it and why your competition hopes you skip this video. So where did I go wrong? Well, before I show you the solution, let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes that were silently killing my business. Number 1 was my voiceovers pretty much ruining my brand.
Buy my product.
I was recording everything myself. I spent hours tweaking my tone, re-recording the same lines, and still it sounded off. People don't connect with robotic voices, and I was losing their attention fast. Mistake number 2. My leads were slipping through the cracks. People would message me, ask questions, and nothing. I didn't have a system to follow up, nurture, or close the sale. I was leaving money on the table every single day. And mistake number 3. My ads were targeting the wrong people. I thought I knew my audience, but the truth, I was guessing. My ads were wasting money on people who had zero interest in what I was offering. And the worst part, I had no idea how to fix it. Any of that sound familiar? Good, because now I'm going to show you exactly how I turned everything around with 3 AI-powered tools that made my business finally work. So let's get into how I fixed it. First off, I fixed the voiceovers.
11,
11,
11,
11,
11,
11, 11,
11.
11.
11.
Labs.
ElevenLabs introduces AudioNative. Now, any web page can come to life with narration.
A year ago, when Volodymyr Zelensky received a hero's welcome in Washington.
To set this up for your website, go to elevenlabs.io/AudioNative. Choose a voice.
Hi, I'm Alice.
And I'm Chris.
And I'm Brian.
Customize the look of your player, and copy and paste the code we give you onto your website. And then sit back as we convert every article you publish into one your audience can listen to.
In a remarkable display of compassion and determination,
Track your metrics and watch your engagement grow. Your entire site can now become a podcast on demand. Narrate your content today with ElevenLabs AudioNative.
Introducing Voice Design.
Aha, Captain. Set sail for adventure.
Now you can create any voice simply by typing a text description.
Aye, lad, there's magic in these old bones yet.
Or how about the voice of an angry ogre?
Get out of my way if you know what's good for you.
Or maybe you want a cute little sassy mouse.
Watch out, big world. I'm small, but I'm mighty.
Whether it's for videos, games, or any other project, Voice Design can help turn your ideas into reality.
I predict a great and powerful destiny for you.
So try out the new Voice Design today and show us what you create.
Now let's talk about leads. I was getting messages, but they weren't turning into sales. I needed a system, a way to respond, qualify, and close people automatically. That's when I found ManyChat, and this tool was a game changer. I set it up once, and now it works 24/7. What do you think about growth, engagement, and overall strategy? Let me give you a quick overview of how ManyChat can transform your Instagram presence. First, ManyChat helps you set up conversation starters with frequently asked questions, providing quick access to essential information for your audience, such as available promotions, access to your course, or even your affiliate links. For example, you can instruct people to DM a specific keyword to gain access to your ebooks, courses, or any other irresistible offer, and even ask for their email addresses to enable retargeting later. Despite being a no-code platform, ManyChat offers an AI assistant to help build your automations effortlessly. Simply have a short conversation with the AI helper, explain what you want to accomplish, and watch it happen. You can drive up to 60% more sales by leveraging Instagram DM automations, such as automating a private message to thank anyone who mentions you in their Instagram story, setting triggers for responses to your own stories, or reacting with any emoji. One of my favorite features is comment automation. Whenever someone leaves a specific or any comment on a post, a private message can be sent to them about a specific offer or topic. And of course, the ultimate creator's best friend, Instagram Live automation, allows you to instruct live viewers to comment a specific word while watching, triggering a private DM with the relevant information. These comment automations also work on Reels. As an official Meta business partner, ManyChat is trusted by amazing creators such as Jenna Kutcher, who has shared her positive experience using it for her social media strategy. On the ManyChat website, the homepage displays a number of connected channels beyond Instagram. It integrates with Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, and SMS, along with the contacts stored in your account and an Instagram activity recap detailing comments, automated responses, story replies, and story mentions from the last day or week, allowing you to optimize as you go. The platform includes ready-to-use campaign solutions that you can plug and play, and the Contact tab shows all your messaging activity, while the Automation tab lets you create custom DM automations. Additionally, the live chat feature allows you to manage DMs across all connected social media channels. And then the third fix I put in was about my ads. Because if you're spending money on ads that don't work, this part is critical. I was guessing, wasting money. I had no idea who my real buyers were. And then I found Customers.ai. And essentially, this tool helps you review website visitor identities to create powerful marketing campaigns that convert anonymous shoppers into actionable audiences for your email ads and direct mail efforts. Notably, major businesses such as SamRush, Grant Cardone, and several other well-known names are already using this tool to attract more customers. And you could try it with the first 500 website visitors for free. Customers.ai is versatile. It can be used by agencies, email marketers, advertisers, freelancers, or direct mailers across various industries. In terms of pricing, you have options depending on your focus. For example, Meta Ads starts at $199 per month plus applicable CPM fees, while email marketing also starts at $199 with a combined option offered at a competitive rate and a free 7-day trial available. I also appreciate that it integrates with numerous tools like Go High Level, MailChimp, Salesforce, Zapier, Meta, Shopify, Klaviyo, and more, ensuring a smooth workflow across your marketing stack. According to G2 Reviews, it boasts a near perfect score of 4.8 stars out of 5, with a 92% 5-star and 5% 4-star rating from 3,177 reviews. Although the setup process might be a bit challenging, the tool proves its worth once configured, making it a valuable asset for increasing your customer base and gaining deeper insights into your audience. I highly recommend starting your free trial since there's virtually no risk involved. Suddenly, things started to shift. It tracked my best buyers, then cloned their profiles. It showed me exactly who to target. No more wasted budget, no more random testing, just ads that convert. So instead of throwing money into the wind, I'm now hunting for the right customers, and my ads actually make me money. So let's break down what we covered. ElevenLabs for making my voices sound human and engaging. ManyChat to turn my DMs into a 24/7 sales machine. And Customers.ai transform my ads into a money printer. So now you have two choices. Keep struggling or steal this exact setup. Grab all three tools below. ElevenLabs and ManyChat both have free trials. And Customers.ai, if you use my link, you'll get 20% off. And just for a short time, for the action takers out there, the first 50 people get my exclusive profit playbook with my exact chatbot flows and ad templates. If you want it, comment AI Empire below when you join. So now it's your turn to 10 times. Let's go.